In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove followers from a Facebook business page. Start by opening Facebook in your web browser at facebook.com. Make sure you are already logged in to the Facebook account that manages your business page. Once Facebook loads, switch over to your Facebook business page so you are working from the correct profile. After that, look to the left-hand menu. Find your Facebook business page there and click on it to open the page. This will take you directly to the main view of your page, where you can access the tools and audience details connected to it. At the top of the page, click the Followers tab. This section shows the people who are currently following your business page. Wait for the list to load fully so you can review the names without missing anyone. Now browse through the followers list and locate the specific person you want to remove. Take a moment to make sure you are selecting the correct account before moving forward, especially if the name is common or if there are several similar profiles. Once you find the person, look next to their name for the three-dot menu. Click that menu to open the available actions for that follower. From the options that appear, select Block. This starts the process of removing that person from your page and preventing future interaction. In that window, choose the Ban option. This tells Facebook that you want to remove the follower and block them from your Facebook business page at the same time.
Next, click Confirm to complete the action. Facebook will process the request and remove that person from your followers list.
Because you also selected the ban option, they will no longer be able to follow or interact with your business page in the normal way. When the action is complete, return to the followers list and verify that the person has been removed. This final check helps confirm that the change was successful and that the follower is no longer connected to your page. Use the same process again if you need to remove additional followers. Just open the list, find the person, open the three-dot menu, select Block, choose Ban, and confirm the action. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.